Hi everyone, in this video we're going to discuss how to safely remove builder gel nails without damaging the client's natural nails. We're using two different techniques, soak off with acetone and removal with an e-file, and when each method is the better option. And I'll share all the key tips and secrets you need to follow in both techniques. We'll start with the easiest technique, which is also very popular. Acetone removal. For acetone removal, the first and most important step is understanding the type of builder gel you're working with. Most builder gels are soak-off, but some are non-soak-off, also known as hard gels. Here, I'm going to remove the most challenging type, a non-soak-off hard gel. For acetone removal, the first step is to remove the top coat with a hand file. Although some technicians use a drill, many clients feel more comfortable when this step is done by hand. And then a cotton pad fully soaked in acetone should be wrapped in foil and left on the nail for up to 10 minutes. Because this builder gel is non-soak-off, it softens gradually step by step, whereas soak-off builder gels usually remove in one stage. The key point is that with non-soak-off builders or hard gels, acetone is not very effective. It's better to remove about 80% of the product using an e-file, and then use acetone for the remaining 20% to finish safely. Now I'm applying acetone again to let it soak more, and then we'll check the result together. At this point, you can either reapply acetone until the product is fully softened and easily lifts off, or gently remove the remaining product with a hand file. Focus only on the areas where product remains, so the natural nail is not damaged. Clients are usually happier with this technique and don't feel like their nails are being damaged. When using an e-file, apply very light pressure. Remove only about 80% of the product with the e-file and finish the rest safely with a hand file to protect the natural nails. And an important tip for removal with a drill is not to file the sidewalls, only the center of the nail, and without applying any hand pressure. Then gently file off the remaining product by hand. If you're a beginner, acetone removal in stages is the safest option. If it doesn't come off completely, just repeat the process. I showed you the most challenging removal, so you can easily handle the rest of your removals. Make sure to watch the previous video as well, where I demonstrate gel polish removal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.